guys, Isaac here. As you can see, we're back in my test world, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to build TNT cannon again, because last time when I did it, you guys loved it in the comments. So today I'm going to be doing another one, and this one's a rapid fire, and it's really simple and it's really easy to build. So first off, start off like this. Then you wanna get a redstone and a redstone torch. And you'll place 3 redstone torch back here and 3 redstone right here. So that makes like a clock. And so when you want to do this, and you want to get some dispensers, add it over, put it over here, put some redstone here, and put your dispenser here. Oops. Then you wanna get some slabs, and you wanna place it. I wanna place it right over here, and then your blocks like that. You can make it longer to go more straight. And then you wanna get a water bucket and place it here. You can fill it up if you want, that's better. Now, you want to fill it up with TNT, so get some TNT. That's probably enough. Add 2 in each one. Actually, no. I think it's 1. Yeah, 1 is good. Then you want to connect this and connect that. Wait up and wait, then place here. So you should. As you can see, it's like a TNT ring. It's really cool. And it's also really fun to use when you're playing TNT wars. But it runs out really fast because I didn't put that much TNT. But if you put a lot of TNT, it's gonna make even more mess. So as you can see, I made all of these holes. I made this giant hole just by using that TNT cannon. So I used this redstone clock. Other redstone clocks could work too, so I'm gonna show you how to build another redstone clock. So there's a lot of redstone clocks. One of them you could take, you could get not a repeater, a comparator. Place it down like that. 3 redstone. Open that up, and you could take a lever and do that and flick it on. So it's gonna make a redstone clock. And I think there's another one like this. I'm not sure how it goes, but I think it's like this. That. Yeah, so there's a redstone clock like this. It works too, but I find this one more easy. The one that I used, this one. I find this more easy to build, so you don't have to waste that much time trying to make a redstone clock. I'm gonna show you one more time how it works. So TNT, let me get some more TNT. This time I'm gonna get more than just 1 stack in each dispenser. Wait, this is faster. Okay. I'm pretty sure that's enough. Okay, once you got that, here's your TNT. 3 in these. 3 in this one. 2 on this, this. Okay, just enough. So you don't have to use fence. You could use another type of blocking thing, but not just block it right away. That's gonna block the water. So you could use pressure plates. It works too. You could also use ladders. I'm gonna try that. You could use ladders, but it could only cover 2s. It can't cover all of that. So yeah, slabs probably the best idea, but pressure plates also work like this. I'm gonna show you how it works with pressure plate. So that, bam, 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 wait a little bit. I'm gonna make, I guess pressure plates don't work. So yeah, that's it for the video, and goodbye.